Dear students, all are welcome to our channel Study by Shopon. Today's discussion matter is quartile deviation. It is one of the measure of dispersion. In previous video, I have already discussed about the quartile deviation and a problem from a simple series. Today I will discuss about the quartile deviation from group frequency distribution. Look at the board. A problem I have written that wait 40 to 45 number of men 10, 45 to 50 number of men 22, 50 to 55 28, 55 to 60 20, 60 to 65 12 and 65 to 78. I have already learned the how to calculate the values of QD or quartile deviation. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2, where Q3 is the third quartile and Q1 is the first quartile. Before going to find out the values of Q1 and Q3, we have to remind the calculation of median. Median, you have already learned how to calculate the value of median in class 10, and the formula is median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF by FM into C. First quartile, third quartile. Median is also called a second quartile, that is Q2. In case of Q1, in case of Q1, 25% of total frequency, that is N, is equal to N into 25 by 100, that is N by 4. In case of Q2, 50% of N is equal to N into 50 by 100, that is N by 2. That is N by 2. N by 2 is, and in case of Q3 is equal to 75% of N, that is 75 by 100 into N, 3 by 4, that is 3N by 4. You have already learned the median very well, so it is not difficult to learn about to find out the value of Q1 and Q3. On the basis of median, I will calculate the value of Q1 and Q3. Here N by 2 in case of Q2. In case of Q1 and Q3, only N by 2, only N by 4 and 3N by 4 will be placed in place of N by 2. All are same. Median L1 is lower boundary of median class. CF, cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class, and FM is equal to frequency of median class, and C is class width. On the basis of the conception, we will calculate the value of Q1 and Q3. Now look at the problem. At first, we have to find out the cumulative frequency less than time. Now, 10, 10 to 20, 22, 32, 32, 10 plus 28, 60, 60 and 80, 28, 80, 80 plus 12, 92, and 92 plus 8, 100. That is N. That is N. For calculating the value of Q1, we have to find out the value of N by 4. So, for Q1, N by 4 is equal to 100 by 4 is equal to 25, which lies between which lies between which lies between 10 and 32. Therefore, first quartile class is first quartile class is 45 minus 50. Therefore, Q1 is equal to lower boundary of the class, that is 45. So L1 is equal to 45 plus N by 4. N by 4 is equal to 25 minus CF, cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the previous class. 45 to 50 is the first quartile class. Just preceding the class is 40 to 45. Corresponding cumulative frequency is 10. So 25 minus 10 divided by FM, frequency of the first quartile class, that is 22, into class with 5. So we have to calculate the value of Q1 is ZD. 45 plus 15 divided by 22 into 5. 22 into 5. 45 plus 75 divided by 22 is equal to 45 plus 75, 22, 322, 66, 66, 9.0, 422, 88. So 3.4, 3.4, 48.4 kg approx. That is the value of Q1 is equal to 48.4. Now I have to find out the value of Q3 on the basis of median. Now I have to find out the value of Q3. For Q3, 3n by 4, 3n by 4 is equal to 3 into 100 by 4, that is 75, which lies between which lies between 60 and 80, which lies between 60 and 80. Therefore, third quartile class is equal to 55 to 60. Therefore, Q3 is equal to lower boundary of the class. Lower boundary is 55, that is 55 plus 3n by 4, 75. Just preceding the class, 55 to 6, 55, 50 to 55, against which the cumulative frequency is 60, minus 60 divided by frequency of the class. Frequency of the 55 to 60, frequency is 20, and class width is equal to 5, is equal to 55 plus 15 divided by 20 into 5, 4, 55 plus 15 by 4, 3 into 7, 5. Sorry, 3.75. That is equal to 58.75. I have already find out the value of Q1. Q1 is equal to 48.4 and value of Q3 is equal to 58.75. Now we have to find out the value of quartile deviation. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Value of Q3 is 58.75 minus value of Q1 is equal to 48.4 divided by 2. 0.3501 divided by 2 is equal to 5.18 kg approx. So the value of quartile deviation is 5.18 kg approx. So we have learned about quartile deviation from simple series and group frequency distribution. Now I will learn about the mean deviation. Now I have to learn how to find out the value of mean deviation. Two types of mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. If x1, x2, xn be a series of values of a variable x, then in case of simple series, mean deviation about mean is equal to summation mod xi minus x bar divided by n. That is the mod significant sign. Mod is the sign which indicates all the values are positive. Okay, mod is that sign which indicates all values are positive. For example, if mod minus 6 that is equal to 6 plus 6. All values, whichever it may be positive or negative, all values must be considered as a positive value. So mod is used here. All values are positive values. So in case of simple series, mean deviation about mean summation mod xi minus x bar divided by n. In case of frequency distribution, mean deviation about mean is equal to summation f into mod xi minus x bar divided by summation f. In case of mean deviation about median, in case of simple series, summation mod xi minus median, just in place of x bar, that is mean, xi minus median divided by n. And in case of frequency distribution, summation f into mod xi minus median divided by summation f. That is the mean deviation, that is the formula in case of simple series and frequency distribution. Simple frequency distribution and group frequency distribution, all in all cases this such formulas are applied. So we have to go to the problem. With the help of problem, we have to clear about the mean deviation. So now we have to go to the problem of mean deviation. Here, look at the board. Here I have written a problem for which I have to calculate about the mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. This is the problem. X value 50, 10, 94, 206 and 80. Total is 440. That is summation x is equal to 440. Next column is deviation from mean, that is d is equal to xi minus x bar. That is the values of x variables, xi minus x bar. Now we have to find out the x bar. Now x bar is equal to summation x by n. Summation x is equal to 440 at total n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That is equal to 8, 8. So x bar is equal to 88. This is equal to xi minus 88. Now we have to calculate the value of deviation from mean. 50 minus 88 is equal to minus 38. 10 minus 88 minus 78. 94 minus 88, that is 6. 206 minus 88, 8. 118. 886, 9, 10 and 2. And 80 minus 88 minus 8. That is, absolute deviation is all values are positive. So 38, 78, 6, 118 and 8. Summation mod d is equal to 8, 8, 16, 22, 30, 38, 3, 3, 6, 13, 14 and 2, 248. 8, 8, 16, 20, 30, 38, 4, 7, 14 and 2, 248. 248. So mean deviation about mean is equal to summation mod d divided by n is equal to summation mod d 248 divided by n is equal to 5, that is equal to 409.6. What is the value of mean deviation about mean? Mean deviation about mean is equal to 49.6. Now we have to find out the value of mean deviation about median. So we have to find out this problem. At first we have to find out the value of median. Here number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is odd. When number of observation is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. Here n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. That is 6 by 2. That is third term value. Here third term value is 1, 2, 3. That is median is equal to 94. Here median is equal to 94. Now we have to find out deviation from median. D dash is equal to x minus 94. X is equal to 50. 50 minus 94 minus 44. 10 minus 94, that is equal to minus 84. 94 minus 94 is equal to 0. 206 minus 94, that is 2, 1, 1. 80 minus 94, that is minus 14. Minus 14. And mod d bad dash is equal to, all values are positive. So 44, 84, 0, 112, 14. So summation mod d1 is equal to 448 to 10, 414, 415, 13, 14, 50, 1 and 2, 254. So summation mod d1 is equal to 254. Now we have to put the formula. Formula mean deviation about median is equal to mod d dash divided by n. Mod d dash to summation 254 divided by n is equal to 5. That is 50.8. 50.8. So mean deviation about median is equal to 50.8. So we have learned about mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. Look at the problem. Is it easy to calculate the mean deviation about mean and median? Mean deviation about median in case of simple series, at first we have found out the value of mean. In class 10, we have learned how to calculate the value of mean. There are three type method to find out the value. So here I did not want to discuss about the methods. You have already learned about in class 10. So on the basis of those methods, we have to calculate the you have to calculate the values of mean and median. On the basis of those methods, we have to find out the value of calculation of mean, deviation, about mean and median. Okay, now I have to learn about the standard deviation. Sorry to say that I have calculated the value of median in this position. At first, we have to the data in the ascending manner of magnitude, in the ascending order of magnitude. So sorry. So this calculation is wrong. Now I have to modify it to find out the value of median. To find out the value of median, I have to arrange the data in ascending order of magnitude. Ascending order of magnitude, at first 10, then 50, then 80, then 94, then 206. So median is the median portion. That is median is equal to 80. Median is equal to 80. So this calculation is wrong. So I request you to modify the column. So sorry. At first, to find out the value of median, at first we have to arrange the data in ascending order of magnitude. Okay. So median is 80. 50 minus 80 minus 30. 10 minus 80 minus 70. 94 minus 80 14. 206 minus 80, that is 6, 2, 1, and 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. And mod d is equal to, all values are positive, so 30, 70, 14, 126 and 0. Summation mod d dash is equal to 640, 14, 11, 12, 14 and 2. Summation d dash mod d dash is equal to 240. So mean deviation about median is equal to summation mod d dash divided by n, that is equal to 240 by 5, 48. It is the correct answer. To find out the value of median, you have to arrange the data in ascending order of magnitude. Then you will find out the value of median. That is, median is equal to 80. That is mean deviation about median is equal to summation d mod di by n that is equal to 240 by 5 is equal to 48. Now we have to learn about the standard deviation. Here two problems are given for your homework about mean deviation for simple frequency distribution and for group frequency distribution. Two problems are given for you to do in your home. I hope you will do the sum. If you are newcomer, I requested you to subscribe my channel, and your solution of these problems you must comment going by or visiting my comment section. Your solution of this problem must be uploaded in the comment section. I hope no more today. Best of luck.